In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Content Inspiration tab in Business Suite. If you've ever stared at a blank content calendar wondering what to post next, this feature is going to make planning much easier. We'll walk through where to find it, how to explore relevant ideas, and how to turn those ideas into original posts that fit your brand. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Log in and select the page you want to work with. This makes sure you're viewing insights and inspiration that match the audience and niche for that specific page. Once your page is selected, look at the left-hand menu and click Content. Inside that area, choose Inspiration, sometimes labeled Content Inspiration. This is your hub for discovering what's working around your industry right now. Here you can browse suggested posts from a few key sources: pages in your industry, popular trends, and competitors. Think of this as your curated idea feed. When you look at pages in your industry, pay attention to post formats that get people talking: short videos, carousels, or quick tips. In the popular trends section, you'll see themes and styles that are gaining traction more broadly. This is great for adapting timely ideas while keeping them relevant to your audience. And in the competitors area, you can observe what similar pages are doing without guessing. Notice which topics, hooks, and visuals seem to spark engagement. When a post catches your eye, click it to view more details. Use this moment to identify why it works: the headline, the first 3 seconds of a video, the visual style, or the call to action. If it's something you want to revisit, save it so you can build your content plan more efficiently. You can also use the post as inspiration right away, pulling out the angle or format while making it your own. Remember, the goal is to be inspired, not to copy. Keep your brand voice, rewrite captions in your tone, and swap in your own visuals. With your ideas in hand, use them to create your own posts in Meta Business Suite. Turn a trend into a tip tailored to your audience, reshape a competitor's topic with your unique perspective, or repackage an industry format into something that highlights your products or services. Aim for clear hooks, concise captions, and visuals that match your brand style. Using content inspiration helps you plan engaging content based on trends and similar pages, so you spend less time guessing and more time posting what resonates. Dive in, explore, and start building your next batch of posts with confidence.